Okay, we are going to discuss here disproportionation reaction, which means a self auto redox reaction. So it means a species will undergo oxidation and reduction within the same reaction, right? So let's take an example. Say we have taken Cl2 and we mix in water and it forms HCl and HOCl. So oxidation state of chlorine is 0 in elemental state. In hydrogen chloride, proton is 1, so Cl is minus 1. In hypochlorous acid, it is OH is minus 1, so Cl is plus 1. So over here we will say this is undergoing oxidation and that is undergoing reduction, and hence it is a disproportionation reaction. Similarly, you can even dissolve Br2 in water, and if you write the products, so here it is plus 1 and minus 1, this is 0. So this also is a disproportionation reaction. Let us consider a few more examples. Say we have been given over here P and it is going to PPH3 and H2PO2 minus. So this phosphorus is in zero oxidation state, and over here phosphorus is minus 3, and out here phosphorus is 2 plus X minus 4 equal to minus 1, because minus 1 is the charge on the anion H2PO2 minus H2PO2, and for oxygen this 4 is coming from the oxygen, which is each oxygen is minus 2, so minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. So if we solve this, we get plus 1 over here. So for this, we will say phosphorus is going reduction over here. It is going reduction over here, which is by 3 electrons, and oxidation over here by 1 electron. So this is oxidation and reduction, and hence this is a redox equation. So if we were to balance this equation, we will say phosphorus going to pH3, and that we will say minus 3 electrons and plus 3H to balance the hydrogen. So this is what we will do. Okay, and then so if this reaction is taking place in a basic medium, what we do, we add OH on both sides. So this is 3H OH, and over here 3OH. So this becomes 3H2O plus P plus 3 electron, giving you pH3 plus 3OH, and that is say equation 1. For the next step, we will say P is going to H2PO2 minus. So there is a oxidation of 1 electron. Fine, that is okay. Now over here, oxygen is here, so we add water here. Okay, and to if we add water here, obviously we have to multiply this water by 2 to balance the oxygen over here. As we can see, it is 2. Now to balance the proton, because there is 4 over here and only 2 over here, so to balance the proton we will add 2 proton over here. Now if the reaction is taking place in alkaline medium, so we have to add 2OH over here and subsequently 2OH over here. That would mean the equation now gets transformed to this, that is 2H2PO2 minus plus electron, that is giving you 2H2O. 2H2O was here, we have phosphorus and 2OH minus. So that means we erase this part. Okay, and so we have the new equation, which is equation number 2. There is only one electron over here, so, and there is 3 electron over here. So to balance this, we multiply this by 3. Okay, and then we have a new equation, which is obviously saying 6OH minus 3P plus, we have 3H2PO2 minus and 3 electron, and that added to, so this is equation number 3. So we say adding 1 and 3 we get what? Adding 1 and 3 we get what? We will say it is 3H2O 4P. Okay, six OH. All right, pH3 3H2 PO2 minus. Okay, that is what we have, and plus 3OH minus. So that being the case, we will say the final equation will be 3H2O 4P 3OH minus pH3 3H2PO2 minus, and that should be our final answer.